Hello there. Today we will learn how to enable and use built-in app lock in Android phone. You need not to use any external app lock now. On your Android device, firstly check if your OS is updated or not. Mine is up to date. Now, simply come to Settings. Then Privacy. Come to App Lock. For the very first time, it will ask you to set a privacy key. I have set it, and also I have fingerprint and face lock here. These are my apps. I have not yet locked any. Now locking some. Locked 3 apps. Now gonna check them. Firstly, this app. It requires my Face ID or fingerprint. Done. Now the second app. It also requires the ID. The same way, third app. So, this is how you can simply use the built-in app from Android OS and avoid external app locking tools online. These are pretty much of it. If this helped you, then please hit the like button. Be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.